I'm about to show you 4 of our best performing giveaway campaigns. So with these campaigns, we're building multiple assets at once, and we have a really low cost per acquisition. So the multiple assets that we're building at once are Facebook custom audiences, Messenger bot subscribers, email list subscribers. We're then getting people to share the post that they opted in on initially, so that's giving us a lot more organic reach. Then with every person that enters the giveaway, they're getting a promo code, so we're actually getting people to use the promo code, save money, and we're getting customers from this giveaway campaign. And then when we announce the winner of the campaign, then we are doing it inside a Facebook group. So we're going from 0 to several hundred people in a Facebook group very fast. So we're building multiple assets and we have a very low cost per acquisition, which you will see here very soon. So I'm very excited about the results that we're getting in these giveaway campaigns. If you're an e-commerce business and you're selling physical products online, then I highly recommend that you give one of these giveaway style campaigns a try. All you need to do, we've created a ManyChat Messenger bot template for this exact giveaway campaign, the whole thing that we built out inside Messenger and inside ManyChat. All you need to do is go over to evolvemedia.agency, where we have all of our templates available for sale, and then the one that you're going to want to get is called a giveaway template. I think it's either number 2 or number 3. You'll have to watch the actual video that goes on the actual template product page, but it's either giveaway number 2 or 3. We have a couple different variations, but head over to evolvemedia.agency right now to check out the different templates. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and jump into it right now. All right, so now we are inside the laptop and we are about to go through a client's ad account. So right now we're in the client's ad account, and as you can see, total messages that we got from this Facebook ad is about 2,000, a little over 2,000, right? Cost per message was about 50 cents cost per each message. So this means that they clicked on the Facebook ad and then they got sent the message, and then they went through our message flow that we built out inside Messenger. So that's a really great cost because, again, considering that we're building multiple assets, we're getting about 80% of the people that opt in through Messenger are giving us their email address. And then I would say about 60% of them are actually sharing the Facebook post, and then about 40% of them are actually joining the Facebook group. So let's go ahead and just look through these stats to see what the performance was, what the overall results were, whatever it is, of this campaign. So 54 cents, and then if we look in the ManyChat side of things, the total subscriber count, like I showed you, was 2,000, and of that 2,000, it looks like 1,536 people gave us their email address. So that's really great to see. We also gave people a promo code, so we got a couple customers from people actually using the promo code from this giveaway campaign and actually getting customers, right? So when we announced the winner, we announced it in a Facebook group, and we got about 672 people of that 2,000 that opted in to go into the Facebook group and check in see if they actually won. So now when we do our posting inside the Facebook group, we're going to be getting a lot of organic reach inside the Facebook group and a lot of community aspect and things like that. So here is the post that we posted announcing the winner. And that's where a lot of people saw the actual winner. So this was overall a pretty great campaign. 50 cents, that's pretty good, for building multiple assets like emails and Messenger subscribers and then groups. I would say that's pretty awesome. So I'm pretty happy with that. The client was definitely happy with that as well. Now in this ad account, this is a yoga company. Now what we did here was the total spend was $1,000. And actually real quick, let me show you what the total spend was. You probably already saw it, but $1,100 was what the spend was for this skincare products company. And we got a good amount of subscribers there. For the yoga products company, it was $1,000. We got about 1,988 subscribers at a cost of about 50 cents, again, cost per subscriber. So that was pretty great. As you can see here in the campaigns, we were doing a lot of cold traffic targeting, and then we would retarget everybody that engaged with that ad. Maybe they clicked on that ad, got sent the message, but they didn't actually go through and complete the giveaway. So then we retargeted them so that maybe the second or third time they see the ad, they will actually go through and actually complete the giveaway, things like that. Maybe they'll actually share the post the second time. Maybe they went through the giveaway, they completed it, and then they wanted to share the post, but they forgot. So then maybe they share the post next time they see that retargeting ad. Things like that happen. So 50 cents right there. If we jump into the ManyChat side of things, you can see of that 1988, we got about 1782. So this is email addresses, by the way. 1782 of 1900 is really great. That's like a 90% or more conversion rate on the email submission. So that is definitely great to see. And then again, we were doing a promo code. So we gave them the promo code. People utilized the promo code that we gave them after entering this giveaway, and we got some customers from that as well. And then when we announced the winner in the Facebook group, about 700 people then joined the Facebook group. So this group didn't have any people in the group at all. So to go from 0 to 700 over the course of like a couple weeks is awesome. And as we continue to post to that group, we're going to be building a community aspect. We're going to have more social proof. We're going to be able to organically reach more people. So there are a lot of benefits to building these multiple assets like this. So really great success here on the yoga side of things. Now in the next client, this is a female retail clothing company, and they're over in Kentucky. Now, this company is really cool. Their branding is really unique, and so they have a pretty great following of people on a local level because they actually have 2 brick and mortar locations of their retail stores. So we really targeted a local area at first to get a lot of conversions going because if people are going to buy, sometimes they prefer to buy in person. So a lot of people that entered this giveaway got that promo code and then went into the store and used their promo code in the store. I would say this is probably the best performing campaign as far as actually getting customers from the giveaway. So just to go over the stats here, we spent about $1,200 on the giveaway, got about 1,600 Messenger subscribers at a cost of about 76 cents cost per subscriber. Now, for the email side of things, we got about 1,267 emails from this. So what is that? 1,600, 1,200, I don't know the math. It's probably like 80 to 90% conversion rate on getting them as a Messenger subscriber and an email subscriber. So that is definitely great to see. Again, like I said, we had some great success with giving out the promo code and then getting customers from cold traffic targeting, getting customers right from the giveaway. So that was awesome to see. A lot of people shared the organic post, and that was really great to see. But when we announced the winner, we did it in a Facebook group, and we got about 782 members so far to date in the Facebook group. So this is really great to see. Anytime that we do a promotion down the line, or we want to do some kind of special offer to the group members, with this client, I actually told her to go ahead and offer a very special VIP promo code to everybody that's in the group that is available all the time. And I think it's 10% off, but it's available all the time. And anytime you purchase, you can use that 10% off promo code because you're in the Facebook group. So giving that kind of exclusive discount that's available at any time you purchase is freaking awesome. So, nearly 800 people in the group. We got 1,300 emails from this, and then we got 1,600 Messenger bot subscribers. So really, really powerful stuff there. So those are our 3 campaigns that were completed, and we actually, announced the winner inside the group. But I wanted to show you this last campaign because really, really great numbers right now, and we haven't yet closed the actual giveaway. So we haven't yet built the group yet, but we still have some great data inside the ad account. So here we've only spent $161 so far. We've gotten nearly 600 Messenger bot subscribers for a cost of about 27 cents cost per acquisition, because I really don't want to say 27 cents cost per subscriber because we're getting multiple assets. We're getting them as a Messenger bot subscriber, we're getting them as an email subscriber, and we're getting some of them as customers. Now with this account, this is a coffee client, so a lot of people love their coffee, right? With this one, I actually checked into the messages and I saw a lot of people that were saying that they actually used their promo code. So that's easy to tell that this one is working probably the best. When you look at the cost per, you look at people actually becoming customers, you look at the email addresses right here, we've gotten 532 email addresses out of 597. So, you know, I'm not a math geek. I don't know the exact numbers on that, but I would say that's more than 90% of a conversion rate on getting email addresses from the Messenger bot subscribers. So incredible performance so far on this campaign. We are actually going to spend about $1,000 total on this entire giveaway campaign. So we got, you know, over 800 bucks left. So we're hoping to get over 3,000 Messenger bot subscribers. And then that would be, you know, if we're continuing at an over 90% conversion rate, then let's just say nearly 3,000 email addresses from this. So really, really great start to this Coffee Clients campaign. So there you go. That proves that we are getting incredible results from this giveaway style campaign. We're building multiple assets, getting great cost per acquisition. So again, if you are interested in getting this kind of ManyChat template that we have built out, and I'll show you a little snapshot of what this template looks like. There's another little flow before this step right here, where it's like part of the Facebook ad growth tool, but they're opting in, they're being asked, you know, do you want just one entry? Do you want 2 entries and give us your email address? Do you want 3 entries and go ahead and share the post? Here's your promo code. And then there is a 1-day follow-up. So a day passes after, you know, they're completed, and then it's following up with them saying, hey, did you have a chance to use your promo code yet? So again, to get this template, head over to evolvemedia.agency, and then I believe this template is giveaway template 2 or 3. So go ahead and go there. Also, if you want something for free, then head over to freebosslifestyle.com. I have 2 really great things to give away for free. One is a digital marketing course where I teach you Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, copywriting, how to do all this same stuff inside this completely free course. Just head over to freebosslifestyle.com to get access to that. And then the other free thing that you'll see on that page is a ManyChat Messenger Bot cheat sheet. It's called the 11 Crucial Features that your ManyChat Messenger Bot must have. So that is actually a free PDF download and a video walkthrough of everything that's included in that PDF. So if you're like me, you're not a big reader, you can easily just watch the videos. So head over to freebosslifestyle.com, get access to those free digital downloads and knowledge right there, and then also go over to evolvemedia.agency and get access to the giveaway template that I cover the results in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below with your questions. If you want me to cover anything else, or make a video on any kind of topic, leave that comment below and I can be sure to do that. If you want to work with us, fill out that information on evolvemedia.agency. We can build out a messenger bot campaign and run your Facebook ads just like that. If you go to evolvemedia.agency, you hit the Done For You Services tab, then we can connect and have a call. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.